Hey, happy Saturday, everyone. Hey, this is James Dickerson with Berkshire Hathaway. I'm doing an open house today from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. today, Saturday, on the 28th, and tomorrow on the 29th, same time. So feel free to drop by. So right now we're at the home at 21619 Hansom in Porter, Texas, 77365. It's a gorgeous home. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,850 square feet. It's on a 7,200 square foot lot. And come on inside, let's take a look around. All right, we're just now entering the home. This is your office area here. Very nice. Has the French doors here as well. Over here, it's your former dining room. Hey, it's great for holidays and gatherings. Come on, yeah. Right here before the stairs, we have a laundry room here. Got a little shelf space inside. And here's one of the restrooms here. That's a tub and shower combo. And it connects to another bedroom. I'll show you that in just a moment. On this first level, it's 3 bedrooms down here on the first level. So this is the kitchen right here. This is gas range. And you have this fridge here. It's KitchenAid. It is definitely staying with the property. This is your kitchen area here. Pretty good size open space. I got my setup here. Got my cards. Got my open house for your feedback. If you're moving here with young kids, what to do in Northeast Houston. You got your buyer guides here and your seller's guide. And I have my computer over here ready to find you a home or help you sell your home. So this is the living room space here with the kitchen nook over there. So let's take a look inside the master bedroom. Before you get to the master bedroom, you got the little hallway here. It's a closet before you enter into the master bedroom. And if you have a king size bed, this right here will definitely work for you right here. Great space in the master bedroom. It's the bath that goes with it as soon as you come in. Got your little linen closet here. Got your garden tub here. Dual sinks. Also, you have a shower. I can fit it in. I'm a big guy. I'm 6'8", so I can definitely fit it in there. And you got your facilities there. And you got your walk-in closet here at the back. So all your systems are back here in the closet. So let's go take a look outside. Before we look outside, let's look at the other 2 bedrooms and go upstairs and look at the 3rd bedroom. Here's a space between the bedrooms. The other 2 bedrooms is downstairs here. You can use this right here as an office as well if you like. Storage. This is one of the bedrooms here. Sliding door closets. A little space right here. You can put either your TV or your little desk there. And right here in this hallway space, it connects to the bathroom that we just seen. Over here is another bedroom here. Got a place for your TV, or you can, a little office station here. You put your computer desk there. Good size. You can actually fit a king in this other bedroom here, and all 3 bedrooms downstairs. So let's go take a look upstairs and see what we got for you. Right here, entering before we go to upstairs, Here's your garage here. 2-car garage, plenty of space. A lot of people don't use their garage. They use it for additional game room. So let's go upstairs. All right, entering upstairs, get your little walk-in closet here, close to your theater room, so you can load it up with your snacks. This is the other bedrooms that's upstairs. Got the closet here. This is your game room here. You can walk over here and oversee the living room here. Here's your other bath, it's upstairs. Got your little closet there. Hey, good people. And over here, got your theater room. Should be able to fit 120 inch on the wall there. You can do a projector screen. You put your seating area back here in the back. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So let's go downstairs and look at the backyard. Got a surprise for you back there. All right, here we go. We're going to the backyard here. All right, you got your outdoor kitchen here. Got your little fridge. Look at you got your grill. Got your fire pit there. Also, you got your pool here. Make sure I don't fall inside. I don't want nobody laughing at me. And you got a covered patio. And this is awesome here. All right, so we have toured the home. A lot of upgrades. The kitchen has been upgraded as well. Also, the outside patio has been upgraded. You got the outdoor kitchen now. You got the fire pit over there. Countertops are granite countertops in the kitchen. So come on by and take a look at the home. My name is James Dickerson. I'm with Berkshire Hathaway. My number is 281-883-8426, better known as your 6'8" realtor. Come on over and take a look. Talk to you soon.